First sail of the year, guys, and you're coming with me because I'm taking you bastards sailing.
Hey guys, my name's Ziggy, and I'm out boat camping the barrier islands of the Gulf of Mexico. So jump aboard, because I'm going to take you bastards sailing.
Alright, first sail of the year. Hopefully you can hear me. First sail of the year. We're leaving out of Indianola, Texas. Right at Maggie Beach, a little launch here. Touching bottom a few times getting out of their little bay, but I did it. They're all getting in. We're headed out to Army Hole, one of our favorite spots. First sail of the year. Putting the mount on here for this camera, moving around, it hit me in the tooth and knocked the crown right out of my mouth. I thought it was a regular tooth. I was going to call it. Pack it back up. It's just a crown, so I'll just look goofy all weekend and go for it. Got to call into the dentist for next week. And now we're kicking ass. All right. Take a spin and see where these guys are at. All right, we're all moving. Get around with them. Show them exactly how we're getting out of here. I'm assuming it's that way. Still pulling pieces of tooth out of my mouth. All right, beautiful day. Like in the 40s out here on this day. I might be in the 50s. In the 50s. Howling out here last night. I was in Brent's house, right here on the water. It's like 40 mile an hour sustained gusts out here. Big waves this day. It was nasty cold. It was like 30. This morning at 8 o'clock, it was still in the low 30s. So I broke this crown off, which means for the next 3 days on this sail, my tongue's gonna be right down a hole for 3 days. It's gonna drive me crazy. This is light air. Buddy over there in his little boat, he's got an advantage over all of us in the light air. Teasing me now.
With 3 miles left, we ran out of wind. Bob, Lisa, and myself fired up the motors, and I tossed a line out to Buddy, and we motored the last few miles. Alright, we got in time for the sunset. There you go. Well, we made it in time for the sunset. We had to motor the last couple miles. The wind died on us. We're all setting up our rigs now. And then it's campfire and beer. We'll be back. Alright, it was a nice morning. It was chilly when we went to bed. About midnight, I think. And it was in the 40s last night, but I got in a sleeping bag and I was toasty. Poor Buddy over there, he popped his air mattress, getting his bed ready in his boat last night, so he was sleeping on the bare floor. I'm sure that was not comfortable. Tonight I got a little comforter in here. I'm using his cushion along with my air mattress. I'll send over to him so he'll sleep better tonight. And other than that, in my tiny little spot here, we had what did we do for dinner last night? We had red beans and rice, venison and sausage in there, and there was the jambalaya or whatnot. It was alligator and shrimp in that. That was crazy. And we had a couple other things going too, and we'll be eating good today. I still got potatoes and pork chops for myself to throw on. But I'm going to do some walking around. It's supposed to be like 60, 70 degrees today. Sun's already out. It's getting warm in here. I'm getting ready to get out of this little hut. All right, it's breakfast time. Breakfast this morning. It'll be biscuits and gravy. So I got the little stove out. I got this little kettle I carry. And if I can get this out of here with one hand. It's a tight fit, but hold on a second. There we go. It came out of there. And this is what I use for a measuring cup. It's a cup from dish soap or laundry soap. It's all graduated on the sides. You cut the little handle off, and if you go point in first, it'll just tuck down inside there, and it all packs in real tight. Now I got to measure my water for my freeze-dried breakfast. And just like that, she's lit. Now we wait. Wait till that water boils. Which never takes too long. I was looking at Bob and Lisa's jet boil before we left out here. It's a nice unit. They're $100, 100 plus. But they pack down smaller and all this, and it's a pretty neat unit. It'd damn near be boiling already. I think one of those are in my future. But until that, these little Coleman, I think you get them in different brand names. These little burners here, they're pretty darn handy. I like them a lot. That little jet boil would do the freeze-dried stuff. It would rock and roll for it. Huh? Well, you just wait for it to boil. Ooh, getting a little warm. Alright. Oh. The camera might have fell over there. Let me
Stir this little guy all up. There you go. There it is. We're in. Now we wait. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to set the timer. We wait 5 minutes. 5 minutes you stir it. Wait another 4 minutes. Put it right there for safekeeping. In the meantime, I got my shoes on. I guess I need to find my hat. Get ready to go out and walk around. See where a lot of people up at the pavilion. Everyone's at the pavilion cooling out, making their coffee, talking away. I don't know if we got a fire going yet, but we'll find out when we get up there. We'll be there for a minute. Beautiful morning out here. The water's calm. See people fishing in the back. All our boats lined up. A few people at the pavilion. Look at this view. That's a great view right there. That's towards the mainland. A few miles over that way. What a beautiful day. Let's go visit. Biscuits and gravy, delicious. I'm good. But thank you. Too much food around here. One guy that with our group caught a fish. So everyone in our group ran to their boats and got their fishing poles out. So they're all out here. People are catching fish. They're throwing them back left and right. Started out in shorts, but it got cooler. It's getting cooler. It's supposed to be sunshine and no wind today. It's wind and cloud. Maybe it'll break up here. We don't know we're sailing out tomorrow. I don't know what the weather will be there. But it's changing so fast. But here's the boys.
The male has 2 fangs and the female has 1.
Ah. On days of the 15, that would have worked. Water skiing. Yeah, you want one? Hey. Yeah, you got human teeth.
Yep. If you want to pick him up, you're welcome to.
Yeah, check out those teeth. They're like human
He might be just barely not big enough.
because they live off of barnacles. Oh. They crunch them off the rocks. Oh, I see them. Yeah. It looked like a buck tooth, dude. Yeah.
This guy, Micah.
What kind of fish?
It's a drum. It's a drum.
Oh.
Look at that big boy. Got a big one. It's like Buddy's managed a big fish here. Go see what he's got. Got a good one out there.
Oh yeah. Could be a drum, big black drum like what he called.
I think it was huge.
Little red. Could be a garfish.
You might have dinner going here. He cooked up a red here last time we were here. We'll see what he gets going.
sit in that net.
Just get the head in, the rest will follow.
Yeah.
Ready?
That's what we did last one.
All right. Oh, we got him.
Get my
Three
shovel.
people to get him up here. Huh. A minute.
Yeah, he beats mine, that's for sure.
Wow. Let me put this around.
Yeah.
Now I gotta touch that nasty sucker.
He's all
Wow,
head.
he's huge.
He's like 50% head.
Big.
You didn't have him by much.
God, no, not really.
Okay, we got big cameras ready? Yep. Gee whiz. He might be 50. We'll do it.
Oh, break your back. Oh,
Get your workout.
oh, he's huge, dude.
You ready?
We're in. Put her down.
He's going in.
Ah, bye, dude. You were fun.
And Buddy got away.
That's how we do it. All right, Buddy caught that big old drumfish. They caught about 20 or 30 trout. They're still pulling them in. They're looking for a good redfish to clean up and cook tonight. On the fire here, so a couple people are out walking. Paul and Sherry brought some badass electric adventure bicycles, big old fat tire beauties. They're out running the runways of the abandoned airfield here from World War II. That's got to be fun. I'm jealous of that. And I did some walking around, did some stuff. I'm settled back in now to a vodka and lemonade. We got our little enclosure done up to break the wind. It's supposed to be sunny today. Nice, beautiful day, light air. Well, we got good wind and clouds. And but it's a lot warmer than yesterday. Yesterday was chilly. I still got a sunburn on my face. You can see it. But a couple guys out there manning the fishing pole, see if they can find some dinner. We'll see what they pull up. Buddy. You all know Buddy if you watch my channel. He's a coon ass from the bottom end of Louisiana. Builds everything he owns, kills everything he eats. And tonight looks like it's not going to be any different. Because here he comes like a proud papa with his dinner. I like it. What exactly is in this thing?
That's boiled turkey necks. We call that a pot of neck bones.
Well,
Turkey neck, corn, potatoes, sausage, mushrooms, onions, garlic, and
It's
lots
not
of.
an unreasonable thing to ask a Cajun.
Lots of
Yeah.
food.
What is in that? This is just hors d'oeuvre before dinner. We fire up the fire, so we're just munching away on turkey necks.
That is going to be a nice grate.
Man, that is gonna be good. Whatever you put on there. Flip it. On the other side. Good stuff,
Got
huh?
dinner going down here.
Yeah.
The taters on the
So
grill.
obvious that
I don't think we're gonna get much of a sunset tonight because we got a storm in the way. I haven't paid attention to see which way it's going. Hopefully it's not this way. Because usually the sunsets here, if you watch my videos, you've seen these sunsets before. But we might get a break. We got a wind break going here on the pavilion. Whole little kitchen area set up. Could be a good evening. We're gonna do some drinking. We're gonna have some fun.
little dead pig.
Good.
It ain't gonna matter.
And do your thing.
That's what is your next one.
What you could also do is say, okay, this is
Okay, in the oven is 350 for 1 hour.
The time is 9 o'clock.
Who's setting the timer? There it is.
350
That look-
for 1 hour.
That looks like 350 to me.
Yeah. Hit it.
All right, here we
It's
go.
doing what?
Done.
Look at that. Yeah, there's nothing stuck to
Yeah,
the bottom.
best one yet, right there. Yeah.
Bob done graduated.
Yeah, all right, come on, Mom.
No, I'm not. Yeah, everybody else. Go ahead. Everybody else, go. Well, now the pirates out partying. The Zig Man is still walking. But these guys put up a good. They put up a good fight. We drank a good game. Good morning. Crazy night of drinking. Actually, I think it's closed up by 5 this morning. Oh, Buddy's half torn down. It's pretty good because he closed up by 6 this morning. What a gorgeous day. Gonna tear our stuff down, hit the water, and do some sailing. Head home. Let's go. It was an epic sail home, including hitting 14 miles an hour in a downwind run. And lots of adventure. So we're going to do that into the next video. And I will see you next week for that. But in the meantime, throw a comment down there. I answer and read them all. Hit the like, subscribe, because I'm going to take you bastards sailing.